Okay, I'm here tonight with the KLM Flying Dutchman, which was made by T&N Corporation, which was Modern Toys in Japan. Not a very large aircraft. It kind of reminds me of a C-97. The fuselage does. Or the 377, but I don't think KLM ever flew that aircraft. But it has the wings like a Vickers. So who knows what it actually is. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. This thing is a handful. So there's probably going to be a crash landing. Here we go. That's it. All four engines or props turn when there's resistance. That creates kind of like a universal on it. All done. What do you think, Nemo? Hey, Captain Nemo. What are you doing? Huh?